Hello all, my name is Jonathan Artutulisnaga, and now I'm gonna explain how multimedia system can help disabled students. First of all, we have to ask ourselves, what is a disabled student? Under the Equality Act of 2010, a person has a disability if they have a physical or mental impairment, and the impairment has a substantial and long-term adverse effect on his or her ability to carry out normal day-to-day activities. Disabled in Indonesia. Worldwide, there are an estimated of 240 million children aged 0 to 17 years with disabilities. East Asia and the Pacific is home to 43.1 million children with disabilities, second only to South Asia with 64.4 million. In Indonesia, according to the 2018 Riskersdas, 3.3% of children aged 5 to 17 years have disabilities. There is a similar proportion of children with disabilities amongst females and males, as well as in urban and rural areas. The Susunas surveys in 2018 and 2021 found that the percentage of children aged 2 to 17 years with disabilities in Indonesia was even lower at 1.1 and 0.6% respectively. These estimates are much lower than the average in the region at 8% and 10% at the global level. So here's the pie chart of school attendance rate and types of school children with disabilities attended. 73.7% not attending school, 8% attended special learning schools, and 18.7% enrolled in inclusive mainstream school. So, what are their difficulties? There are some of them. There are difficulties in learning, functional limitations in concentration, functional limitations in routine, functional limitations in playing, functional limitations in remembering, functional limitation in controlling behavior, functional limitation in talking, functional limitations in vision, functional limitation in walking, and functional limitation in hearing. So, what do? We want to improve the overall learning experience in disabled students so that they could achieve a higher, better, and more academic achievement just the same as a normal student. Multimedia solution. My solution consists of not a few new multimedia technological advancement or technology, but an implementation of some existing technologies. So the first one is using smart glass. Why is it? Because it could help a deaf student to hear what the lecturer is saying by using speech to text and then generated it in their own lens. And it also could help a colorblind student by adjusting the color that got into his or her lens. The second one is a smart glove. The smart glove that could read the hand sign of a speech impaired and translate it into a recognized speech from the deaf language to a normal language. So multimedia solution isn't enough. Although this video is actually for multimedia system midterm exam, I didn't think that innovation from the multimedia system perspective could generate many great ideas for improving the learning experience for the disabled student. I also think many of the innovation of multimedia system to improve the learning has been implemented in our daily lives. To literally solve or improve greatly the learning experience, we should check into consideration of IoT, AI, education policy, and etc. And that is all from me. Thank you.